Please don't make someone fall in love with you if you don't plan on loving them back. Don't lead somebody on if your heart really ain't in it. Don't make them believe that you're their safe place if you were only passing time. Love is not a game. People's hearts aren't toys. And if you're not ready for that, then guess what? Say it. If you're still healing, say that. If you just want attention, be honest about it. If you just want to have a good time and not a long time, make it known. Because there's nothing worse than watching someone rebuild themselves after you broke them down with false intentions. Real love requires responsibility. So if you can't catch them, don't make them fall.